What's up, guys? Welcome to the YouTube video. I'm going to show you guys how to install E85 pump from AEM. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the box first. So basically, you get the pump already, nicely packaged. There's that side, and then you get also the wiring harness and the instruction pamphlet, and also the fuel filter. I'm going to show you guys how to install this from a 2008 to 2014 WRX. Hey guys, so what you're going to need is a fillet head screwdriver, a flathead, pliers, needle nose pliers, an 8mm socket with the extension. Basically what you're going to need is a fillet head and take off these 4 screws off this fuel tank housing. So basically you're going to go ahead and start unscrewing these. Now it's very important to not lose any of these screws because you will need them in. Oops, I didn't know. Next step is you want to remove this clip right here. There's a push pin right here to release this. Yeah, now it's removed, and now you can set that inside the housing to make sure it's out of the way. So what you're going to need to remove these bolts on these studs for the fuel pump is an 8mm socket and an extension. So I'm going to go ahead and remove. And now what next you need to do is remove each of these hoses. They each have these push clips that are easily removed. But after that, you want to go ahead and remove this bracket right here. And just be careful, it may get caught on some stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here, and I'll show you guys on the next step what to do. So to remove this top half off, we're going to remove this clip with the hose attached to it, and the same goes as this as well. So I'm going to show you guys. You guys can either use a flathead bottom. You may want to remove them. I'm going to grab a pick and press down, and there you go. So I found it a lot easier to use a pick. Here with this ground attached to it. So you want to either stick a flathead or your finger to release this pin. And it'll be right on top of this. And there's 2 more clips. Basically, this whole thing is garbage now. It is useless. So now when it comes to reinstalling this fuel pump from AEM, you're gonna reinstall. The only thing you're gonna need from the old fuel pump is this pin right here, or this clip. So basically you remove it off of this one right here, then you place it onto this one right there. There we go. Once it's hear the clicks, it's seated correctly in there with this fuel filter installed. Now here comes the next part. I'm going to go ahead and replace the ones that are may need replacing. And place this clip right back in. Insert every single one of these hoses. Clip that back in. You are ready to go, and insert this clip back in as well, and plug in that last clip. And yeah, once that's all done, you are all set to reinstall this back into the vehicle. If you want to see more install videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Especially, I'll be doing more content videos on me building my WRX. And if you definitely want to watch that, definitely hit the subscribe button because you won't want to miss out. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.